Hello guys, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rao. So I had studied from Srinivas University, and after studying I graduated from it, but then I was not getting jobs. So I had come here. I heard about PySpiders. So I had come here PySpider I think last year 2025 in month of July. So I took a full stack Python full stack development course because I was interested in full stack development to develop web pages. So I had taken that course to study on it, see if I can get job here, and the trainers were very helpful. I would especially thank my Kashi sir and Ramakrishna sir. They were very helpful in the Python and the DBMS courses, and I am very much thankful for the support of our HR, Priya ma'am and Harish sir. They helped me throughout this journey, and I'm glad that I was able to join the PySpider team because they helped me make my skills more better to make sure I can work in real world and get jobs. And I recently got placed in as a technical support, and it was placed for the package of 3.5 LPA. So I'm glad that I got a job now. So thanks for PySpider.